If you're ready to take the toughness of Raptor beyond the road and into your projects at home, buckle up, because Raptor's got something that's not just for your ride, it's for everything that demands the ultimate high heat makeover. Introducing the Raptor High Heat lineup. The same durability that's tough enough for your truck, now tailored for those sizzling projects around your home. Here's a look at the Raptor High Heat lineup that's just right for the garage, but also for projects that need the ultimate high heat makeover. Wood-burning stoves, chimney pipes, fire pits. You name it, Raptor High Heat coatings can handle it. Our superior formula was designed to outperform in the hottest conditions, thanks to our cutting-edge ceramic technology. So whether you're upgrading your backyard fire pit, conquering the corroded stovepipe, or giving your wood-burning stove a hot new look, you can trust Raptor High Heat coatings to bring that undeniable edge of tough, good looks and durability to everything you touch. Raptor High Heat coatings, because there's only one Raptor, and there's only one line of Raptor High Heat coating that performs as good as it looks.